For accurate weather forecast and live news, subscribe to our Skymet Weather YouTube channel. Press the bell icon and do not miss on any of our weather news.
Welcome to Skymet Weather. I am Mahesh Palava. This is weather update and forecast. In the month of August, we have seen 5 low pressure areas developing over Bay of Bengal and they travel in westerly direction, giving good rains over central parts of the country. However, month of September remained comparatively less active. Now, in post-monsoon season, we have seen one low pressure area developing over Bay of Bengal, which crossed Andhra coast and now lies as a cyclonic circulation over Andhra Pradesh. And another low pressure area intensified into a depression and it is expected to move in northwesterly direction and will cross Andhra Pradesh coast by October 12th. During last 24 hours, we have seen moderate showers lashing many parts of coastal Andhra Pradesh as well as coastal parts of Orissa. Scattered light to moderate rain with moderate to heavy spells also occurred over interior parts of Karnataka. Light rain thunder shower occurred over Gangetic West Bengal, parts of Chhattisgarh, interior Orissa and South Chhattisgarh. Now forecast. In the wake of this depression, we expect heavy to very heavy rains occurring over many parts of coastal Andhra Pradesh and south coast of Orissa. Scattered light to moderate rains will continue over Gangetic West Bengal, southern parts of Jharkhand, many parts of Chhattisgarh, Vidarbha, Marathwada and Karnataka. Isolated pockets of Telangana may also get good rain and thunder shower activities. However, rain activities over northeast India will remain subdued as the moisture concentration will be around this weather system only. And the humid winds which were initially traveling over northeastern parts of the country from Bay of Bengal will get restricted and they will divert towards interior parts or you can say central parts of the country. Northwest India, you can see humid, the dry winds from northwest are blowing over entire northwest of India, particularly over hills of western Himalayas, Punjab, Haryana, UP, Rajasthan, most parts of Rajasthan and Delhi and NCR. Therefore, we do not expect any weather activity over northwest India and many parts of north, you can say north MP and western parts of Madhya Pradesh. But as this depression will travel inlands and after making landfall, it will start weakening because the moisture incursion will get depleted and it will degenerate into a well-marked low pressure area and subsequently into a low pressure area while reaching over Vidarbha and Marathwada area. By 13th or 14th of October, it will be over interior parts of Maharashtra and giving good rains over Maharashtra and southern districts of Madhya Pradesh. And on 14th of October, light rain activities will commence over southern districts of Gujarat as well as over western parts of Madhya Pradesh. Mumbai and suburbs may get rain and thunder shower activities on October 14, 15 and maybe on 16 also. Weather will remain dry over entire northwest India. Northeast India will get subdued rain activities. Eastern parts of UP, Bihar and Himalayan West Bengal may get isolated light rain activities, but it will not be any significant weather activity over there. Interior parts of Karnataka, Telangana, Rayalaseema, all these areas may get good rain and thunder shower activities. However, rains will be subdued over Tamil Nadu as well as over Kerala. And after this depression, another low pressure area is likely to develop over northeast Bay of Bengal by say October 14th and it will gradually intensify into a depression and it will move in west-northwest direction towards coastal parts of Orissa and we will have to wait and see how this weather activity or this weather system develops and what will the impact of this weather system over eastern parts of the country. But as of now, we will concentrate over depression which we have seen now and after say 2 to 3 days, we will update about fresh western disturbance, fresh low pressure area which will concentrate into depression and what will be the impact of it over eastern parts of the country. Keep watching Skymet Weather for more weather updates. That's all for now. Thank you.
Keep your family healthy by downloading Skymet AQI app and tracking air pollution of your location in real time.